Hi, this is a quick tutorial of signing up to be an agent for that ERC referral agent. All right, ERC is the Employee Retention Credit, and this website is makemoneywithgrants.com. All right, become one of our well-paid ERC referral agents. This symbol right here is from Bottom Line. That's their logo. Okay, join us in the ERC journey. The ERC program was approved with the CARES Act alongside the PPP loans. The ERC program is a grant from the IRS that returns past salaries and healthcare expenses paid to employees that remain on payroll through that pandemic. We help businesses between 5 to 500 employees receive checks in the mail up to $26,000 per employee. Now, that all depends on the circumstances of the business and the employees, of course. Okay, here is just an example of how the referral agent will get paid. Say there's a 200-person W-2 employee, and they got paid the 10,000 average refund per employee. As you can see, once the bottom line gets their fee, the referral agents get 10% of the bottom line fee, which would be $50,000. That being said, it could be less, it could be more, depending on the circumstances of those employees. They could have received PPP grants. This is just a heads up, just to let you know. Okay. And now, when you get here, okay, this is a lifetime opportunity. This money will run out. Of course, there's going to be other programs, but just like the PPP money is gone, now this ERC money, there's a time limit to this. Okay. But meanwhile, while that money is still there, might as well jump on the bandwagon, go here, fill out your name. You must have your first name and last name with the email and phone number. All right. You want that number to be a number that you're going to have with you, preferably your cell phone, where when you get your call, your 15, it's going to be a, 10, 15-minute call, whatever, to speak to someone. They're going to send you a getting started letter that you're going to get all type of training, and you want them to have all that information so they can get in contact with you. Odds are you're not going to get a call. I'm sorry, you're not going to get a call. You'll get text messages. They'll let you know when your onboarding is going to be. Of course, you want to be there. You want to have your onboarding. That's going to be in Zoom live. Okay. Or I believe they have listen also, but you are going to have to go through Zoom. Just like anything else, you're going to got to go through some steps to get in. But the point is, this is free. You don't have to pay. Okay, this is free education. I don't care what your situation is. They're not going to ask you about your background. Just 18 and over. You know, and if you're not 18, get somebody to sign up that is 18 and learn. What you're doing is referring businesses to free money that's afforded to them. Okay, so here's some people. These are some people that's already been on, and they haven't. They talk to people with employees, and now they have to wait for the process. This is a federal grant, so it's going to take time, but that's all right. You keep putting it in. That way, when it starts coming out, it's going to be a beautiful thing. I hope this helps. Thank you, and see you next time.